Joined by Mr. Vivek Jain, who's with been really arguing, somebody who has working very hard with Mr. Singhvi and trying very difficultly to try to get some kind of relief. Finally, you have been able to get some relief, but Mr. Arvind Kejriwal still will not be able to act as the chief minister because he can't attend the office, as you had said, and as well as not sign files in the enforcement directorate case relating to thing, except where it requires LG approval. Is that the correct position?
See, the Supreme Court had today in the CBI case had agreed, both the judges have agreed that Mr. Kejriwal is entitled to bail. There was no necessity to keep him inside while the trial is going on. As far as the illegal arrest point is concerned, which we had raised before the court, Justice Suryakant had said that there is no illegal arrest. However, Justice Bhuvan has passed a very thumping order saying that the arrest itself was illegal. There was no necessity to arrest. You were been investigating this matter for last 2 years. And just because I've got bail, Mr. Kejriwal has got bail in the PMLA matter, you move and arrest him very quickly in a quick succession, and therefore the arrest was illegal. That's what Justice Bhuvan has said. Now, as far as the conditions are concerned, since there were already the conditions which were imposed in PMLA matter, Justice Suryakant had said that the similar conditions would inure in this matter also. Justice Bhuvan on this point has differed again, and he said that I have serious reservations to those conditions, and he had said that at this stage I am not commenting because the judicial propriety demands so, otherwise these conditions according to him was also unjustified.
So now for a common man, for the layman, please explain to us what works, what the illegality of the arrest by CBI is, does that, because there are differing judgments, whose prevails?
See, since bail and illegal arrest were both argued together, the net result of both the petitions would have been that Mr. Kejriwal would have come out. Now, since he has come out, the arrest remains academic. However, the comments and the observations of Justice Bhuvan clearly shows in the manner in which CBI has acted in this matter, and the way it has moved quickly after Mr. Kejriwal has secured bail in the PMLA matter, which is actually the point which is argued by Dr. Singhvi, where he said that it was an insurance arrest, it was not an arrest which was actually required. Now, as far as the bail conditions are concerned, the bail conditions remain same. Even if they wouldn't have imposed those conditions are still inuring.
This is something that you yourself had offered to the Supreme
Court. We ourselves have never offered.
That's what he said, that this is what Justice Khanna had said in his judgment very categorically, that because he himself has submitted only cases relating to
so we never submitted before the court that you should impose these conditions, but these conditions just say that he should not enter the secretariat, the CM secretariat, and in fact as far as the signing of files are concerned, those files which needs LG's approval, those important files, that can always be signed by him. So I think there is no difficulty in that, and as the matter progresses, we can obviously come to the court and say that you modify these conditions. That can always be.
So you will definitely come back, because now there is a differing of opinion between Justice Bhuvan as well as Justice Suryakant.
Let Mr. Kejriwal come out, and then we'll decide, we'll confer with him, and we'll see how to move it and then to move it.
So many congratulations. It's been a lot of hard work for the lawyers here in the Supreme Court, in the trial court, in the High Court, to actually get relief from for getting Mr. Arvind Kejriwal released, as well as the others in the liquor excise policy. But this is definitely a big step forward, a big boost, as we've been pointing out, for Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, for the Aam Aadmi Party, ahead of the Delhi elections, which are due in Jan-Feb next year. This will definitely be a big relief and a big boost.